competition. Who can find Dad's car keys?
Dad's a good hider.
First one to find Dad's car keys wins, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. You got that? Start looking, start looking. I don't see you looking. What you doing? Hi. How are you?
Hope they weren't in the oven.
Yeah. That might be where they were. You smell burnt plastic? Let's see your teeth. You got the 2 little teeth down there. Yeah. You playing with your dolls? Hi. Stop, baby. We've been home for like almost, what, 3 days now? Still haven't found them. Still have not found them. Not looking good. Guess what I found? I found my keys. Isn't that awesome? Here's what happened, guys. I was gonna make a bottle for the baby because Mommy Stubbs isn't here. So I thought, oh, I'll make a bottle. So I went up here to grab the new formula that we got while we were gone, because it is gentle or whatever, and I think she likes it better. But there was no scoop in there. So I go, oh, what am I gonna do? So, oh look, here's our old formula, the store brand, the cheapo brand. I'm going to get the scoop out of that one. So I grab this one, and I hear a little rattle. And look, it's my keys. I found my keys. They're right there. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that what we would be doing is I'd just be doing something normal like I normally do, and it'd be right there, because that's what I had in mind, was just a mundane task hidden behind it, nothing fancy, and it was behind the formula. I thought nobody's gonna steal baby formula, although baby formula is kind of expensive, so if I have kids and I'm a thief, I'm gonna steal formula. But good thing I'm not a thief. The bottle holding technique here with the... Show me what you got. What is it? Hold it still. What is that?
Those are owies.
You got an owie? Let me see. Let me see your owie. She says she needs a band-aid. A hangnail? What is it? Oh, I see it. It is kind of a little teeny owie. Well, Minnie Stubbs and I are watching some Olympic beach volleyball. USA versus Austria. Go, USA! USA! Anyway, it's tied up 1 match to 1, 1 set to 1. One game to 1. What do you call that? What am I looking for? I'm looking for band-aids. Anyway, Mommy Stubbs and Stubbs Jr. are shopping for clothes because 1 week from today is the first day of school. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Summer is over. Stubbs Jr. starts the 1st grade. And this little one is in preschool. Who's your teacher? Who's your preschool teacher gonna be? Miss Judy. I think beach volleyball is amazing because they do a dig and then they have to like hurry and get up while their partner sets it and then do a spike real quick in the sand. That's amazing. Simply amazing. Go. 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 Go.